Okay, what's up everyone? Right now I'm with a black engineer in Shenzhen, and you know, it's a blessing for him to be in my presence, but like, you know, no, I'm kidding. This guy has really worked hard, and he's, just describe what you do, man.
Shit.
Come on, bro.
All right. Yo, my name is Josh. Grew up in Chicago. I went to school at MIT, studied mechanical engineering and Chinese. Got my master's at Tsinghua University in Beijing. And now I'm here as a project manager, managing other Chinese engineers to execute products for Western world. So, I mean, at any point of the product design cycle, from like ideation, industrial design, to like mass manufacturing, like my product design company, the company I work at, can help you fulfill it. So, it's dope. That's it.
How does it feel to be like, I don't know, one of the few engineers who's black, who's got such a position, I mean, in Shenzhen?
It's definitely a feeling of pride, because you know, people be looking at me like he's a teacher, and I'm just like, nah. I worked to get here. Not that you didn't work to get here, but I worked my ass off to get where I am, right? Like, I want to be in China. I wanted the Chinese experience. I want the manufacturing. I wanted this. I worked to get here. You know what I mean?
So, what would you say for any African American or Caribbean engineer who wants to work here, because it's hard to get into the system?
Bro, set goals and accomplish them, honestly. I mean, but I think even that shit is hard, because it's like, you don't have role models. You don't have people who look like you doing the things that we want to do.
Exactly.
So you look at the world and you're like, nah, I should go play basketball or be a rapper. You know, in America, that's what it is, right? But you gotta.
No offense to the rappers.
No offense, like y'all do great shit. But you gotta set goals for yourself and like just try your hardest. Like when I was 12 years old, I'm like, maybe I'll just try to go to MIT. I didn't even really know what MIT was, mind you. I was just like, I knew it was a good school. I'm just gonna try for it, right? But because I set a goal, I could work towards it. It gave me motivation to actually try in school and do stuff. Okay. So I think goal setting is important. And I think another thing that also messes us up as like a community of colored people is self-confidence, which is to say, because you don't see people who look like us doing that job, you feel like you can't do the job, which is never true. You know, like at MIT, yeah, like one of my classmates builds engines for fun in his spare time. Cool. One of my classmates shoots rockets into space in his spare time. Cool. I like to party. If I didn't like to party and I want to build a rocket, I could build a rocket, but I don't really care. I just like to party. Yeah. So it's just like recognizing that like all of this could be yours if you work hard enough and want to do it.
Yeah. And look in the camera and say,
my bad.
Work hard and
do it. All of this can be yours. Yeah. I swear to God.
The world is yours.
The world is yours.
Yeah, that's nice. You listen to hip hop?
Oh, of course, man. That's old school.
Yeah, man. Cool. So
I'm so sweaty.
Yeah, thanks for giving us the opportunity to interview you.
No, you're good.
Man.
You guys are doing great stuff. I'm just real sweaty. Don't touch me.
Okay, keep watching for the next kinds of videos that are going to come up. They're going to be creative, innovative, you know. We're giving air to the voice to all the entrepreneurs, innovators in Shenzhen, Shanghai, Beijing, and subsequently the world. So, 再见, and see you next time.